The password is 48, and we change it to English. Then we go to level setting. This is on top operation box lock. When we need to operate on the hoist, we need to remove this one. This is for testing and for maintenance. Now we learn the floors. Firstly, now we are at the ground floor. Must make sure the reducing speed, the lower limit is reached here. Now we are setting for the first floor, and it became 1, then it means the first floor setting finished. And now our operator is moving the hoist up. Normally operate we use this one because now we are on the platform. The height is really limited. And now the second floor was setting. It shows level successful. Now we are setting the third floor. Okay, successful. Now we move to the operation monitoring interface. Then press the buttons and confirm. Then I go.
要回到原点，应该是。
Oh. We need to remove this. We need to remove this on top operation plug. Then we will be able to operate. Now we are at the third floor. We go to the ground floor and confirm. Then the elevator will automatically go down. See, it reach the first floor, it will stop. Now we test the second floor.
2楼
啊。It's going up. Okay. Now you reach the second floor. Because the height we set it is very short, so it goes very slowly.
是不是吧？
先走，
找位置。
Okay, second floor reach.
这
试一下3楼。
3楼不要跑了吧？3楼等一下冲出去，
应该不会。
试一下。
好了，我的。它走得很慢，因为
距离太短了。
对，这个还是比较科学。
结果设计的比那个尾控，比那个微控的那要强多了。
It goes very slowly because our platform is very lower, so it goes very slowly. But normally operation for higher building, it goes very fast. When it reaches the third floor, it will automatically stop. So it goes very slowly.
别让它停你边的标准。
Okay. Now we go to the ground floor. Press.
有一个问题，你得就是啥？你要按目标楼层的时候，这个没显示。啊？这里显示。我那回第一次调的时候，
直接按30度快一些。
啊，直接按3块1。我 绝对确实啊，你把那个杆子扒着，那一到个人就已经水下了，你不管反正，我跳围攻的我跳，好。